morning. Good morning, biscuits. How is your Sunday starting off? Are you going to have a fantastic self-care filled Sunday? Are you going to be like, oh, popping over on Patreon, chatting, watching all our self-care videos, coming and telling me what kind of self-care you're doing? I know you are, because that is the kind of Sunday you want. So this is my Saturday night cleaning video. Oh my goodness, laundry to fold, stuff to put away. It is never ending. But you biscuits know that my motto is make the household mundane magic. Why not? What the heck? We have to get it all done. Why not do it? Because it's so much more fun when we actually enjoy taking care of our homes. Oh, can I show you this really cool thing? Okay, I bought a towel warmer. I know you're wild and crazy. Probably all of you British biscuits out there know that you probably have like a towel rack warmer or something. I don't have a towel rack warmer, so I bought a little container off the internet that warms up probably like 2 bath towels and maybe a hand towel. It's not very big, but it's so much fun. Oh my goodness. The house we are at now has the world's tiniest, most uncomfortable shower that just doesn't steam up and get warm. So it's so nice to come out of freezing our bum off in the shower and I can just wrap myself up with a towel. I highly recommend it. I have the feeling they're going to go on sale for Black Friday. And if they do, I'm kind of tempted to buy a second one. But I highly recommend. It's not sponsored or anything. No brand in particular do I think is the best. And just look around and see what works for you. But I thought I would chat a little bit while I'm on here about turning your cleaning of that laundry basket into a form of self-care. So you know that I like to play music as a form of self-care while I clean. I also like to look at having a clean, organized home, finding places for all the books, all the toys, random toy sticks. It just makes my home feel lighter and more joyful and lets my mind be less cluttered. So I really look at cleaning as a form of self-care. And I try to appoint points in my week to where I have that space to clean and tidy because I want to really have a fresh mental start. One of my goals when we moved house just recently was to stay on top of all my bathing suits and things. Don't know why I filmed showing you that. Those are my bathing suits. Some of them, I have random bathing suits that none of them seem to fit, and I washed some of them by accident after a trip, and they got ruined, so I need to buy some more bathing suits. It's on my list to do. But by giving myself the space, I've really tried to make it a goal in our new house that I am staying a little more top on tidiness, because between the stress from COVID and expanding my family and just being supremely busy, it has been really hard to stay on top of tidiness. And I would say my house has been as messy as it's ever been at any point in my adult life. I just have not been good at staying on top of it, and it's been really bad for my emotional self-care. So I'm really trying to have fun with regularly cleaning. Cleaning for 10 minutes at night, cleaning for 20 minutes in the morning, having I like to do a big clean on Thursday personally, so that then, the long weekend, quote unquote, it's not really a long weekend, but that's how I look at it, is just tidier and more fun for the house. And my goal, biscuits, you keep me to this goal and I'm going to keep you to it as well. Let's spend this winter really making our homes cozy and tidy and clean and organized. I love the little picture books with the texture animals. I know they're for babies. I don't care. I just like the textures. I think they're really fun. All of you moms and dads know some of the kids' books are a lot of fun to read because they're just all sweet. So that is kind of how I'm approaching my start to winter and looking at it as cleaning my house is going to be just part of my self-care routine. Like putting lotion on my face in the morning, I am just going to stick with it because I really want to be at a good place come spring with my seasonal effect of grumpiness, depression, anxiety that comes up this time of year. I want to make sure that that's not manifesting in a messy house, which it had been in years previous. It's funny, it's like the beginning of lockdown when we couldn't leave our homes a couple years ago. My house was never so clean. I was just stress cleaning every day for hours. And then I had my daughter and it was just, chaos isn't the right word. It was just cleaning became a backseat priority to everything else. And so I'm kind of recapturing that form of self-care for the rest of this year. And then hopefully going into the new year, it just becomes part of my routine and I don't let it build up to messiness. So I am regularly vacuuming. My new house has so much carpet. I don't know how the last tenants that lived here kept this carpet all sparkling clean, but oh my goodness, I am a laminate hardwood floor tile kind of person because it's so much easier to clean. And with all my kiddos jumping all around all the time, making messes, it is so tricky to keep the house clean. So I will report back after we're done with mud season. So like what, May, June? Sometime in the spring, I'll tell you how the carpet survived. And what I'm probably going to do, let me know in the comments, do you biscuits want to see some different floor cleaning demos of things? I'm thinking about getting a wet vac for the carpet because I think otherwise it's just going to get destroyed. Trying to figure out how to clean this vinyl-y, like sheet vinyl floor that it's in here, linoleum kind of thing. So slowly but surely, I'm going to figure out how to clean all these surfaces, which is no easy feat. Okay, biscuits, I'm gonna turn on some music. We can dance, dance, dance. Ooh, getting clean because it's Sunday. Oh yeah. Hey, come along. Alrighty, biscuits. I have mostly clean. The house is still messy, but it's clean. Yay. On top of my keeping the house clean goal this winter, I'm also going to start organizing. I know, biscuits, you were going to see organizing videos, which I never normally do because I am not one of those type A personalities that needs an organized home. But I gotta say, I've gotten to a busyness point in life where I need my house more organized. And I'm not going to pay somebody to do it. So I am going to do it myself. I will give you my best tips to do it on the cheap. I am buying like dollar store containers. That's how cheap I want to do. I just want to keep my house organized and not have it descend into chaos. I want to know where things are. I don't want to have to get frustrated because I can't find where something is. So expect this winter a whole bunch of come organize with me, come clean with me videos, because we are going into a clean and organized season. That is just, you know what, where life is taking us. I'll see you in the next video, biscuits. Big hugs. Leave a heart in the comment section if you made it this far. Love you all, biscuits.